Hi everyone, I hope you are mentally sane after taking a bit of break from the prelims 2026 paper shock. Coming to the point, some of you have asked me to review the 2026 paper. I did not attempt the paper in the examination hall, nor did I appear for the exam. So it will be easier for me to speak on it because I did not have any pressure, time pressure, nor energy management, nothing. But anyways, I know nobody cares the opinion, but let me just tell you something. I have seen the paper. I have felt that it is bit more not tough, but it is more absurd. So what happened was I wanted to consider other options as well, because probably in the next attempt I can clear. It might take one attempt, it might take two attempts, probably I can go till mains, prelims, mains interview, but not end up getting a rank. So I want to take it more practical way, and I want to take it in a more realistic way as well. So I want to get through any of the government exams and then parallelly keep giving the UPSC exam. There are certain exams which are being conducted on a yearly basis, SSC CHL, RBI Grade B, of course, with a lower number of vacancies. But there are once in a while exams like the APPSC Group 1, Group 2, and the UPSC EPFO exam. SEBI is there, NABARD is there, Grade A exams are there. I want to consider it. I want to prepare for it. 60 to 70% of the syllabus will match. Other than that, it's purely my hard work, how I sail through. So I have decided that I'll give this 2 to 3 years time. Best case, I'll get through in the 2027. Worst case, I will not get through, but still I will not compromise on the side exams as well. Anyways, I woke up freshed up because it's very tough to maintain mental peace after such a bad exam experience or whatever it is. And I have kept a longer shot of the chai here because my nail polish is a bit more on the cuter side. Nude shades are really amazing. Studied for a while, and then I have also started like actively revising. Answer writing I'm not doing now because I need some bit of break from that. Let me also heal from the prelims 2026 shock అని కాదు. I just have to plan my days, right? So yeah, anyways, lately I started eating healthy. This is the peanut salad that I have made. Everything was going well. Everything was actually going well. I was studying. The day was super perfect. Previous night also I was studying, if you have seen. Made myself nice food and everything. But when I went down and I have seen, Billy ended up looking like this. I got to know that some dog bit it or something like that, but we were so scared. It did not move. It just stood like, I love my Billy, and it just be kuttindanta. So I had to take to the nearby vet hospital. Actually, one shot of the vaccine was like 1500, 1700 in the private hospital, but here they have scheduled all the rabies vaccine and the B shot and everything for free of cost. All it costed me was 50 rupees for one medicine, and we need to buy a puller through which we have to give it some antibiotics something. For that, it costed me around 90 rupees. Other than that, entire thing was free, and I did not know that the government services are such good replacement for the private hospitals and everything. Anyways, I came back. I literally rushed and I came back, and then I have decided that no, I have wasted my time. Let me study. This guilt mode of studying is actually kicking me more into the routine. I have to take a control of it. But no matter how much I tried to study, there is one kind of fear. I was basically operating from fear. Like, what if I fail? What if 2027 exam prelims will be gone? What if my mains experience will be so many shitty questions? Because when one episode goes well, we tend to get into the spiral, right? That's how exactly I felt. So I wanted to take the day really slow, and then my mother made this idli. Actually, idli is good, but when you're so stressed, you need some biryani or some food kada. Anyways, I had to eat the idli. I did not have the option to order food. Next day I woke up and then I was feeling crazy, and I have decided, let me clean my in the kitchen. When I clean, when I sort, I really feel much better. Anyways, do not mind the tag on my t-shirt because I forgot to remove it, and it is quite embarrassing. Even I noticed it now. So I started cleaning the kitchen. I started cleaning my washroom. I was replacing my tea powder, coffee powder, all of that, and I have cleaned my fridge. And after that, I felt a bit more better. But it was crazy. I'm telling you, it was a crazy experience. For 2 to 3 hours, I literally cleaned the entire house, room, mopped, cleaned. Sorted my clothes and then took shower, all of that. And then I have also tried to peel off my ginger because there will be mud on the ginger, right? I tried to peel it off, and then I have tried to clean it, and it went into my eye again. And if you know, I have this eye infection, so again it started burning again. It started I started to get water and everything. It was a very rough day, so I really took it very slow. And then in the evening, let me show you. This is, I love anything that is close to nature. We have pubs, clubs, this, that, whatnot, but always home with some trees, with some plants, a bit of sunset, and a bit of familiarity in the space that you're living in with the people around. Trust me, it's so peaceful. I understood the importance of home when I left to other cities for my education, higher education, for my hostel, and for some work related purposes and everything. And look at this. I loved it. That walk there, especially when it gets darker. I walk, I imagine stuff, I replay stuff, and I plan my future. This is my space. I don't like it if someone is there on the terrace, be it my own family member. I hate it if someone is standing next to me when I am on my terrace taking my break. It's like I conquered the terrace and it's just my space where my brain starts to work. So I nicely took long walk. I have started tracking my steps also. I walked till the extent that I could not walk anymore, and then I've come down, and then I have realized, Hammaya, some chicken. I love chicken roti with some cucumber on the sides, with some lemon, onion. Amazing kada. This is the food that I needed yesterday, but yesterday I had to eat idli. I love idli, no doubt about it. Koncham chicken, koncham my favorite dish unte, it will be better kada. I loved it. I nicely had my dinner, but again I tried to study, but somehow it's not happening. So, what should I do? What should I do? I was told to distract myself, but I tried to distract myself. In the distraction, also, I'm only thinking about my future, not the positive aspects of future, but the negative aspects of future where I get messed up or fucked up, something like that. So, I just tried to study, nothing worked. Then I have realized Surya's movie undi in the theater. If you know Surya, he's a South Indian actor. I love Surya, so I just felt it is the best opportunity to go right now. It's better to distract myself. Hi everyone, it's 9 pm. I'm going to the movie, Surya's movie. First day, first show, I'm going. If you're a South Indian, you must know who Surya is, and if you're a North Indian, you better get to know who Surya is. I can't believe that I'm going to Surya's movie in theater. It's been so long since I went to a movie where Surya says movies in the theaters and theater low. Second show, I love this. I just can't tell you how happy I am right now because when I was in my school, there was a movie, okay? You must know what Gajini is. Gajini movie law, first half of the plot law. There is a police officer, okay? While diary, he will open the diary and he will turn pages and there will be one photo, okay? I lost my mind, and from that day onwards till today, I love Surya. I don't love anyone else. I love Surya. That photo, I'm crazy. I'm crazy and crazy. I love Surya. I just can't miss this movie. I can't believe I'm going to a second show. As a UPSC aspirant, we have so many restrictions and we have so many tensions, right? I thought, Ghanta, I'll go. Ante. Not to overhype, but it felt like God sent this movie only for me because I was feeling so weird that day. So I felt, Abba, movie theater lo undi, and I love movies, I love series, so why not give it a try? So suddenly I dropped every single burden that is on my head and I have decided, let me enjoy. Whatever happens will happen. Tomorrow morning, if I'm alive, I'll wake up and I'll handle the shit. But for tonight, I'm gonna go to the movie. That was my attitude for that movie, and trust me, it made so much difference. Like, I thought, okay, my world is collapsing, my world is coming to an end. I mean, when we think like that, if we can just distract ourselves, zone out, and then come back and you see, it makes a lot of difference, right? So I went to the LGT mall. It's a new mall. It's a small mall. See, you see all the top undi kada aatadi. It's called Gantastambam. If you watch the Ram Charan's new Peddi movie, that's what they have shot the song at. That's where they have shot the song at, and there was nice gift center and everything. There has been this small gifts. Okay, so I asked the person, like, in the chinna small gift ilanti toys unte kids will cry kada ante, kids will not only cry, they'll keep them in their pocket and they'll go only, he told. Anyways, this is to attract the kids, this is to tempt the kids so that they will cry and they will make so much fuss around their parents, and the parents will be forced to buy. That is a marketing technique, by the way. Anyways, the mall was so nice and I did not expect so many people to be there. Okay, I thought enti inta mandi, so it was a full theater and we were waiting, people were coming, and they were just within couple of minutes itself the entire theater was full. This is the beauty of, some good heroes movies, or I loved it, I can't just comment on it. Anyways, I nicely enjoyed. And then after the movie also we just roamed around a bit, and then we just tried to have food out, but at that time there was nothing. Theater lo popcorn 450 rupees, outside one can of drink is 60 rupees, in the theater it is 120 rupees. I mean, why the hell in those 2 hours will I go and buy? I was like, this is literally looting. Back then Britishers did, now we are doing to ourselves. Anyways, after that day I have come back home very good in mood. I can't tell you how light I felt. And then look at this Billy. Billy started getting better. It was the swollen part ఏదైతే ఉందో it became normal, but still there will be some pain. Here it is coming. It will respond to the name when I call it as Billy, but it was so hot. I think it burned. It has burned its feet, so it ran into the shade and it was sitting. I love my Billy. Anyways, so then I was like, Hammaya, nice sleep vachindi, nice relaxation vachindi, nice movie, nice stress buster. Went out with my brother, his friends, and then my mother. So nice oka family outing laga. That's when I understood the importance of having family, friends, going around, being around people. When you are falling, you need two hands to hold you, right? Where are the two hands if you are completely isolated? So I decided I want to be around people, and then I was studying. It literally flew. I mean, the flow stayed amazing only. And then let me tell you one thing. I have started doing this active recall and then writing and then recalling stuff. And look at this. I love it. I mean, what a satisfaction, kada. I was writing, and suddenly this pen stopped. And then I opened it and I have seen it. I was like, wow. Suddenly I felt like it is a dopamine rush in my brain. Ante I have achieved something. Now you might clear UPSC and you might become president of the world. Okay, but naku my pen empty avadam, it felt very good. I can't tell you how happy I felt when the pen ink is over. And then I nicely freshed up, took long shower, nicely put on some nice lip balm, put on some fresh clothes that were ironed, and nicely comb my hair. Of course, some heavy parts we all will have in our minds. Other than that, nice day kada. Nice journey. I started talking in a positive way to myself, started writing down my thoughts. I'll keep you updated. Tell me how you have felt. See you, bye bye. Take care.